This video that you're watching right now is going to help you become 10 times more successful, and I absolutely guarantee that. So you must watch this video, because after watching this video, you're going to start thinking differently about success and what you need to be doing to perform better than other people and your competition. Now, we all need to kick up the ass. I do. Someone who makes $10 million a month, and entrepreneurs who are making $100 million a year. Yeah, we all need to kick up the ass. And even if you're not successful or you are successful, it doesn't matter, because there's different levels to this game. So it doesn't matter if you're an online creator, content creator, marketer, online marketer, business owner, entrepreneur. We all need to kick up the ass. Now, as the saying goes, money loves speed. And if you procrastinate, I procrastinate. You watching this video, you procrastinate. Every single person procrastinates. It's actually normal to procrastinate, because that's actually what keeps us to survive. When we procrastinate, that's just our belief system, and we start doing other things because other things are more important for our survival, like feeling comfortable. So if there's any fear or any doubt in our head, we start to procrastinate. So if something doesn't work out or we don't make money, we then tell ourselves, well, that's the reason why it didn't work, because of X, Y, Z. Therefore, we are right. So it's a cycle, and that's why a lot of people aren't successful. So what I'm going to be sharing with you right now is going to widen your mind or awaken your brain. So I was on Threads this morning, just having a browse, and there was thousands and thousands of posts about how disgusting Alligator Alcatraz was. And I've never heard of that in my life. Now, I'm not currently signed into Threads on my computer, but there's literally thousands of people saying that they're writing bad reviews on Etsy. They're just like thousands of reviews and people just complaining about Alligator Alcatraz. And I'm like, I don't even know what that is. So I went onto Etsy to have a look, and I found it says 1,000+ items. So everyone's selling Alligator Alcatraz, and I still don't know what this is. I'm like, what is this? Now, for those that don't know, and I don't want to spend too much time on this video, but Trump is sending, now don't quote me on this, but illegal, illegal immigrants, or basically Trump's sending them to a prison or a jail that's surrounded by alligators. Now, there's a lot of people that are having issues with this. I don't know the ins and outs of this. I don't even know, I'm not going to waste my time studying this. But look at the amount of people selling merch. Now, this is something that I want you guys to understand. Not 19 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 24 minutes ago, 1 day ago. So it's currently going viral. It's all over the internet. It's all over social media. Someone's even done a song about it, and it says one song, one album, July 2nd, which was yesterday. So if you're not seeing what I'm showing you, I'll be telling you soon what this actually is. Okay, merch. There's literally thousands and thousands of people selling stuff about Alligator Alcatraz. Now, you might be thinking, well, what is Alligator Alcatraz? Okay, look at this graph here. It's literally shooting to the moon, and that's the last 12 months. If we go to the last 30 days, you'll see there's a little bump here, but it really started to take off about 2-3 days ago. Now, what I'm showing you is, and what you need to be paying attention to, and the message why I'm doing this video. I don't even know what this is, and it's going viral now. People are talking about it now. There's already thousands and thousands, if not tens of thousands, of people selling stuff, whether it's hoodies, t-shirts, shoes, posters. Someone's already bought alligatoralcatraz.com. 100%. So money loves speed. And this goes on if you're an online marketer, entrepreneur, you you've got a Shopify store, you're selling courses. A lot of the time, people procrastinate. There's tens of thousands of people literally saw something go viral on the news or online and instantly started to create, because within 24 hours, they're starting to sell stuff on Etsy, they're selling stuff on Amazon, they're doing videos about it on YouTube. The majority of us, and I even do the same thing, I'll see something go viral, and instead of doing something right away, whether it's selling something on Etsy or Shopify or selling something straight away or doing a video on it straight away, I think about it. I go, I might do it tomorrow. I need a bit more research. Oh, it's raining today. I might do it over the weekend. And then already 1 or 2 weeks goes by, and then I post something about it, or I try sell something, and you don't make any money. And you're like, well, why? But that's because within 24 hours, there's already 10,000 people already selling something. So even if you think you're acting fast in 2 weeks, you're not. So this is my point. Money loves speed. And I also saw a video, I think she was like 18, 19, maybe 20 years old, a multi-millionaire content creator who's a female. And she did a video on that she's not very smart. She doesn't know a lot about marketing, but what she does, she had ADHD, and she didn't research. She's not very creative. She's not very smart. But what she did do is she acted straight away, and she just produced video after video after video, content after content. She was doing videos at like midnight, and she had a big pimple on her face, and she looked like shit, but she was still doing videos, and that's why she's made millions of dollars. Whereas 99% of people, we overthink. You overthink, I overthink. Every single person, 99.9% of the time, we overthink stuff. I don't look good. Like I wear a hat because I don't have to do my hair, so it saves me time. I usually don't shave because shaving takes time. So I try and save as much time as possible so I can work more. And the same applies for you guys. You need to start implementing stuff that you learn, but take fast action. And fast action is doing something right away. So if you see a viral video on TikTok, for example, and it's in your niche, and it's got 3 million views or 30 million views, you need to literally do that video literally straight away. Because if that's going viral, you're more likely to go viral if you do a video straight away. But what happens is you see a viral video and you're like, I'll save it, I'll watch it for later. And then come later, you're doing something else, and then you see another viral video. Oh, save that one, I'll do it tomorrow. And then tomorrow happens, you forget it, or you see another viral video, and you save it. And what happens is you keep saving stuff, you keep learning, you keep growing, you keep doing stuff, but nothing actually happens because you don't actually implement anything. And what I'm showing you, every single thing, look at this. There's literally 1,000 items already on Alligator Alcatraz, and it's literally just going viral now. No one's thinking, better wait 3 days, better do some more research, People are literally doing stuff, designing stuff, whether it's on ChatGPT, Sora, other platforms. Maybe they've got designers themselves, and they're literally printing money. Now, maybe they're not printing money, but that's not the point. The point is, while you're thinking about starting your business or contacting a client or doing a video for social media, there's thousands of people who are acted straight away. And those are the people that are making money. They're going viral. They're gaining, hundreds of thousands of followers because they're the first ones. They're the first ones that are making money because they take action. Whereas what you're doing and what a lot of people do is you want to take action, but you're too slow. And even if you act, so this viral video that you see today and it's got 30 million views and you go, I'll do it tomorrow. Why do it tomorrow? Do it now. Do it now. Stop the excuses. Stop the procrastination. You need to act fast. And there's a famous quote, money loves speed. So if you want to be successful, Get rid of all your excuses. I don't care what they are. If you want to do something, if you want to create a course, don't think, okay, create a course, I'm going to sell it in 30 days. Sell it in 3 days. What can you do right now to get your first 20 clients or customers, or your first 50? What can you do right now? If you want to make $10,000, don't think, oh, what can I do in the next 30 days? Think, what can I do right now? Do I need to do a video? Do I need to do a LinkedIn post? Do I need to call my ex-clients? Take action now. Don't stop thinking of doing it for later. Got to do it next week. Got to do more research. Literally, take action. You need to take action, because while you've waited 3 days, there's already thousands and thousands of people doing exactly what you're wanting to do, but they're making money and you're not, because they took action and you didn't.